Assalamu alaikum. We're still in the village of Ayat Uthman. I have with me here Ardwan. We've just finished interviewing his mum. Unfortunately, they were afflicted quite badly during the earthquake, and we're going to share their story with you. I just want to add that this is another example of a family that really needs your support. £3,900 could provide them with a home, a place that they can be in during the snow, during the winter that's about to come. Ardwan has a brother who is mentally disabled, and they were affected quite heavily with the earthquake. They lost their homes, and now his mother is having to live in one place, and his ill brother is having to live somewhere else. So please dig in deeply. If you can't give 3,900, then give us a share. £975 will go towards a quota. Jazakumullah khairan.
Task Force GLM will be distributing food parcels, hygiene kits, and non-food items, organizing medical camps, and providing prefab houses. Visit our website taskforceglm.org